Leasing and buying are two main ways to get a car. Leasing means you pay to use the car for a certain time, while buying means you pay to own the car. Understanding these options helps you make smart financial decisions. Choosing between leasing and buying affects how much you pay each month, your long-term costs, and whether you own the car. It impacts your budget and financial planning significantly. Leasing usually means lower monthly payments because you are paying for the car's usage for a set period. When you buy, you may pay more monthly, but you build ownership over time, eventually fully owning the vehicle. Leasing tends to have lower monthly payments than buying because you are paying for depreciation and interest only. Buying requires higher payments, but helps you gain equity in the car as you pay off the loan. With leasing, you do not own the car and must return it at the end of the lease term. Buying gives you full ownership after the loan is paid off, and you can keep or sell the car as you choose. Leases usually have mileage limits with penalties for exceeding them. Buying places no limits on how much you drive, giving you full freedom without extra charges for miles. When leasing, the leasing company often covers major repairs under warranty, but you may need basic maintenance. When you buy, you are responsible for all repairs and maintenance once any warranty expires. Leasing allows you to drive newer car models more often by choosing a new lease every few years. Buying means you may keep your car longer and delay upgrading to a newer vehicle. Leasing means ongoing payments without gaining an asset, while buying builds equity. Over time, buying can be more cost-effective since you own the car and can sell it later. Leasing is ideal for those who want lower payments and frequent upgrades, while buying suits those aiming for long-term value and ownership. The best choice depends on your financial goals and lifestyle.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.